Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Dom and I post videos on crypto and how to make money. Alrighty, so before we get started, if you guys can just do me one huge favor and subscribe to the channel. It just takes 1 second and it lets me know that you guys like the new video format that I am doing. To be honest with you, I'm trying to get away from the webcam videos in more of a professional look. If you guys like the new setup, slap that like button. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first update that I have for you today is on the holder count of Saitama. So it looks like the holder count is roughly about 113,000 holders at the time of this recording. Now, to be honest with you, that is still kind of low because there's supposed to be about 360,000 wallets that hold the V1. So to be honest with you, they're not even halfway there. Now, back when they announced the V2 contract, they said that they were supposed to be completed with the V2 migration by the 8th of June. And that's almost a month ago. So from my understanding, they're actually using their own money to pay for the gas fees to migrate from the V1 to the V2. You guys know just as well as I do that the hardest thing about Saitama is they unfortunately can never complete a task by a deadline. Personally, I think they should just stop promising completion dates on things that they want to accomplish and just post it and to just come out with whatever they're working on. But like I said, that's just my opinion. I've been seeing a lot of comments that some of you guys have not received your V2 tokens yet. So if you still have not received your tokens, I'd like to know if you want to drop a comment down below. Now, what I've been seeing is that your tokens are actually supposed to be airdropped automatically. So technically you should not have to add that Saitama contract to actually receive that. So actually I received mine automatically and I hold mine on Coinbase and I actually did not have to put in that contract address. Okay, so let's move on to the price of the day. So it looks like Saitama V2, the chart is actually looking pretty good on the day. It looks like it is up 2.91% and the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.633 million. Now, for those of you who are interested in buying the V2 tokens, you can actually buy them at Uniswap, LBank, MEXC, and Hotcoin Global. And to be honest with you, I'm not sure if you can actually buy those anywhere else. That's just where CoinMarketCap is showing right now where you can actually buy those. Alrighty, and then also I got some big news coming from the dev team. So they're actually dissolving their LLC based here in the US and they're actually migrating their operations to Dubai. So what that means is that they're actually moving the company from the US to Dubai. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not sure why they're actually moving. Some people may say that they're trying to avoid the government or taxes. Personally, I don't know, but only really they know the real reason why they are. And hopefully that reason is the right move for them right now. Alrighty guys, and the last thing that I have for you today is looks like staking will actually be available when the SATA Pro is released for those who are interested. Their Twitter post reads, after the audit comes back, we will announce percentages and length of time of what staking platform will look like. Staking adds stability, functionality, and stabilizes. And you guys can follow them on Twitter at WeAreSaitama. Now, personally, I will be keeping my coins off of SATA Pro for now. Some of you may know that the SATA Mask did not work as planned, and a lot of people actually could not access their tokens on the app or even log into the app. So for the time being, I'm actually just going to stay away. And to be honest with you, I'm probably just going to keep my coins on my Coinbase wallet app, to be honest with you. Kind of don't really want to mess around with the SATA Pro. Maybe in the future, if they work out all the kinks and everything's good to go, but for now, I'm just going to stay away. Now, if you are still confused about the SAT2 migration, I made a video here that breaks down everything for you. It's a great video and you will learn everything that you need to know about the V2 migration. All right, guys, that wraps up this video today. I just wanted to come on here real quick to give you guys an update. I do have more content coming out for Saitama and other coins as well. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. All right, guys, take care, have a good day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.